Oh wow, we got some snow today. It really came down last night, well, for the area that I live in. And today we are going to go out and grab some wood and make this thing into a workhorse. So the kids unloaded the wood yesterday and apparently left that open. Guess I can't really say anything. I left my window open. Jeez. Ooh, that's gonna be cold. Load. God. Okay. Canadian cold start. Now, this thing isn't plugged in or anything, but yeah, she goes. Not too bad.
So that is a load of wood, just a small one, like it's a tracker, right? It's not going to take no big amount or anything like that. It's just something to do. It's a nice day, fresh snow, just fell last night, so it's kind of fun to just go hop around in it. I think I might have to go down my trail though, because it's going to be quite deep with the drifts. I'm pulling you out. Yes, you will. I'm not starting the truck. Oh, that truck hasn't been started in a while.